In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps navigation offline. If you've ever been on a road trip, commuting through a tunnel, or traveling abroad without reliable data, offline navigation can be a lifesaver. It lets you get turn-by-turn directions even when your signal drops. In this walkthrough, we'll assume you already have the area you need saved for offline use. If you don't, that can be handled from the same screen we're about to open. Start by launching Google Maps on your mobile device. Give it a second to load, and make sure your phone's location services are on so Maps can find you. At the top right, tap your profile picture or your initial. This opens your account menu, where Google keeps a lot of useful settings and features. From that menu, select Offline Maps. This is where your saved areas live. You'll see any regions you've previously stored for use without a connection. In the top corner of this screen, tap the three-dot icon to open more options, then choose View. This is a quick way to preview the coverage of your offline map. Take a moment to zoom and pan so you can confirm that the places you'll be traveling through are inside the saved area. If your destination sits outside that boundary, offline navigation won't work for that portion. Next, tap on the map to move to the area where you want to go. You can drag around, zoom in for detail, and position the map exactly where you need it. When you see your destination on the map, tap it. If it's a known place, you'll get a place card. If it's a spot without a label, dropping a pin works just as well. The key is to select the exact point you want to navigate to. Once your destination is selected, tap Directions. Google Maps will prepare a route using your offline data. Then tap Start to begin navigation. You'll still get voice guidance, lane suggestions in many cases, and clear turn-by-turn instructions. Keep in mind that without an internet connection, live traffic, road closures, and real-time rerouting may be limited or unavailable, so drive with a little extra awareness and consider what you see on the road. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure your phone has enough battery, since GPS use can draw power. Consider turning off aggressive battery savers that might interfere with location accuracy. And remember that offline maps focus on driving directions, so some walking, cycling, or transit details might not appear. With that, you're ready to navigate confidently, even when your signal can't keep up.